Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 12. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for quick calculations, anonymous functions. Anonymous functions in MATLAB let you create functions without requiring a separate M file. Perfect for simple, one-time tasks. Get ready for some serious efficiency. We're talking about one-line power with these anonymous functions. Anonymous functions are simple, single-expression functions that don't need a formal name or file to be stored. To define one, you assign it to a variable, which then becomes the function handle. The core syntax is simple. Start with the variable name, then the @ symbol, followed by arguments in parentheses, and finally, the expression. For our first demo, we'll define a function f as f equals a of x squared plus 3 asterisk x. This function squares the input x and adds 3 times x to it. Once defined, you use the function handle just like any regular MATLAB function by passing input arguments. Let's call our function with f of 5. This executes the expression x squared plus 3 asterisk x, replacing x with 5, giving us 5 squared plus 3 times 5. The major advantage is speed. They're perfect for quick, simple calculations you only need to perform once or twice. Anonymous functions also shine when you need to quickly plot a mathematical function without defining a separate script. Watch as we plot our function f inline directly in the command window. This instantly visualizes the quadratic function defined earlier. This capability is a huge time saver for testing hypotheses or visualizing equations on the fly. So we covered how to define and use anonymous functions for immediate calculations and inline plotting. These quick math hacks are essential for speeding up your workflow in MATLAB. Join us next time where we'll dive into while loops and master iteration for repetitive tasks in MATLAB.